That one's from. Yes, it's from me actually.
And I don't have a card with it.
No, I lost it, but I'll find it and I'll give it to you later.
And then Julie.
It's balloon animal.
I kind of already know what this is.
You know, how do you know what that is?
Oh my. Because I've seen this literally everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
It's inside out. You gotta.
Why'd you put it inside out?
I did it on purpose.
Ah. But she already knows what it is.
She doesn't know what it is.
Yes, she does. She said she's seen it
Yes, I
everywhere.
do. I know what this is.
We saw that at the
Literally.
other Room 21 didn't
Do you guys did
Yes. I was looking at this the whole time.
Shut. I had Esther try it on. See if it'll.
Well, what is it?
It's
Oh,
a SpongeBob.
how cute. It was really cute. That is
But okay, the other one was Crocs.
Well, put it up.
Oh, that one's not?
That one is.
Just a bit. But whenever I put it on, it wasn't as cropped.
It is a crop.
All
This
you
is-
need
This
to
is
do
actually unbelievable. This
All
is
you
like
need to do is wear like a black shirt.
But whenever
Miss Castro's gonna dress code me.
Not
If you know
she's already-
I think
she wears.
well, you have to wear a black undershirt.
She's in much better.
It's cute.
She's our teacher.
That is very cute. What do you say?
Gracias.
De nada.
Whose is this one?
I mean, you're gonna love my kid.
And she just like.
Oh, but yours.
What's in there? I forgot what you got
I
her.
actually hate you.
Oh,
Spelling.
I mean,
She got me a freaking spelling book.
what are you trying to say, Esther?
She said
I'm so
cinnamon.
confused.
She spelled cinnamon toast church. I mean, cinnamon toast
What?
church. Yeah, that's what she spelled.
That was so long ago.
Still. And then she could have spelled pepperoni. And then I don't know what. And then we started arguing about bananas and how you spell bananas.
Oh!
B-A-N-A-N-A-N-A-S.
You're so
Mhm.
old. You're so old.
That'll look good. That'll
So
look good
you
on you.
said cleavage in that one.
What?
You just gotta put an undershirt.
No, I got it from Doctor. Yeah, the book.
That's also from
But
that
thank you,
store.
Esther. Oh.
Yeah, no, she bought it. I didn't buy
Yes, I did.
That's really
it. She got it with her own money.
I think you might love that. It's just.
All
I
right.
really wish I got grade 2. That's way too easy.
I think it's a little hard.
I mean, all right. Let's open up your other ones.
And then the balloon stickers, I don't know. It looks nice.
I already know who this is from because it's really heavy.
Is that one from Sean and Wesley?
No, it was just some.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh.
That's exactly what you needed.
Literally what I needed.
Oh, how many?
That,
I love
Yeah,
Ivan Water.
that's a group forum. Someone said they saw that today. Yeah.
Wesley had to ask my mom how to spell Valerie. I'm putting
Wow.
that out there.
I just think Valari.
Valari.
Valerie?
Valori.
Valari.
As in like
Ooh, pretty.
Ooh,
Where's
what is
Eden?
what is
Are you
this?
jealous?
She's just a bit.
Just a bit jealous.
Valerie, don't rub it in her face.
Wait, let me see that
Sorry. I'm not trying to though. It's just that
She loves chokers.
she loves chokers.
Are you guys allowed to wear chokers at school?
Yeah.
I have a
Yeah.
choker here.
Okay.
Huh?
It has a moon on it.
Oh, I know
Yeah.
what you're talking about.
Spikes.
You can share one of the vitamin waters with me.
There's no moolah on there?
You love it. Yeah.
Eden, don't be
It's
rude.
all 0 calories, and this one's 5 calories, and then this one's 100.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, we
those are
got
pretty
that,
good.
girl. You go,
I
girl.
love-
Yeah.
I love Ivan Water.
Who is this from?
I'm guessing Sean's mom.
Remember you asked me what
Or
what
Wesley.
they could get Valerie? and I
The
said
card?
Wesley made the card. I picked out the.
And who sealed it?
I had to go to several sources to find out what was the perfect gift for you. All your friends, all your family. I asked Rihanna, and that's all I did. I didn't write that.
Yeah, which is on this card.
Wait, what's it say?
Happy birthday, Valerie. You lived another year.
Yay!
From Wesley and Sean.
The last one, God bless.
Wait, what gift card is it?
A Starbucks gift card.
Oh, Starbucks?
Yeah.
Hey, what happened with Dutch?
The hip new
The new one.
like Dutch
That's
bro.
what?
So
Dutch bro.
Oh, Dutch bro.
apparently that's the hip new.
I don't really like coffee though. I like the Starbucks.
Okay.
They're not.
I'm just kidding.
They're not really.
They just opened up a Dutch. Was it?
Now you just jealous. Now you just.
Wait, who's that one from?
Adelaide.
From
Oh, this is
Adelaide?
yours.
Oh,
Oh.
You
the pajama pants?
What you got in there?
Oh, Krabby Patty.
Hey, all those edible?
Oh,
No,
wow.
No, it's a collectible.
just asking. I don't know.
Oh, those are pajama pants.
Wait, where have I seen that?
We have matching shirts.
And
She has.
Oh.
What is? I didn't see the shirt.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, do you have?
Is there a
that?
back
Oh,
to
that
it?
is pretty awesome.
Like,
Is there a
Rihanna.
back
compliance on it, or-
Grounded.
Oh yeah.
It reminds me of Encanto.
Just
In what way, shape, or form?
There's flowers around.
Reminds me of Coco.
That's so-
Yeah, that's
They're from
yeah.
the same creator.
Hey, chill.
Okay. Say thank you, babe.
Thank you, but I thought this was a blanket. That's
Oh, pajama pants.
Those are pants.
Ooh, for pajama day.
yeah.
Or
I
where's
was
that
wondering
blue?
where's the pants in this house?
Is that blue or purple shirts?
Do you have
That's
these
Buddha.
pants?
And a shirt. Yeah, Matt, we
Wait,
can
what?
watch on pajama day.
I don't know what that means.
Please
She don't understand.
Oh, Valerie, I think you should put your stuff in the bag or something.
It's fine right here.
money. At least I know how to
Ow, happy
Oh,
day.
Okay, who's this?
Who's that one
Who's
from?
that from?
Oh, me.
Oh, that's from your mama. I don't know what she got you.
Why don't you take a picture?
Don't you guys like make like 2 paragraph long birthday notes?
Yeah, they do.
That's a lot of stuff.
Well, it was random stuff, so sorry.
I don't know.
Oh, nice. That's
Hold
nice.
on.
I think that's enough.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Wait, I can't see that. What is
Like
it?
the color or the singer or just a different brand.
The slippers. It's...
Oh, now you don't have to borrow your mom's slippers.
Finally, now you're-
Oh yeah. And
no, you just get-
You tore up your mom's last slippers.
Does that say
She
rainbow vibe or chocolate vibe?
you know those Hurley, those,
She also
those,
borrows
those
your
pink
socks.
slippers that I had? I don't think I ever wore those. They broke.
What did you break that belong to me?
Those pink Hurley slippers, I love them so much. And I was like gonna like go take out the trash.
So she's
or
gonna
something, and
donate these ones to you.
the pink Hurley slippers.
I never gave those to you.
Wow.
Busted.
Hey,
Well, they were.
why don't you put their stuff in the bag?
You know, you break, you buy.
Even from your mother.
Who's this one from?
Me.
That's also from you?
Wait, did you read that card?
Come in the house and help
Did you read that
themselves
card?
or whatever.
You didn't know that yet.
Wait, you didn't.
I'm actually gonna.
I said kids
explode.
come in the house and
Who
help
is that from,
themselves or
Erica?
whatever.
From your mom?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Wait,
Oh,
who's
it
that from?
is.
Oh, I
Whoa.
didn't wrap that. I just put it in the bag.
Oh.
And an egg. Oh, no.
Can you turn it around? I want to see.
So
it.
far.
Oh
What's
my
that say?
gosh.
I paid good money for that.
Is that an anime?
What does that say?
Yes, it's called Death Note.
Oh, what is it?
That's what it says on the sheet.
What's it say? Definitely. Or I don't know what it says.
It's an anime.
It says
Some kind
That's
of
out.
cartoon that they watch.
Can you wear that to school?
It's a,
Yeah.
did
Okay,
I
I'm
offend you?
sorry.
I'm
It's okay.
sorry.
You guys are always. She's always talking about being dress coded. Not you, but other kids.
Just dress code.
Everybody gets dressed.
Yeah, but you could wear it under that. Your 2 tops you got.
Esther approved that, so.
Is that a perfume?
And it was also
Oh.
it was also somewhat approved by Dad. We couldn't smell that day. because,
Really?
Why did
You spray your crotch with it? What's up with that?
I said.
Okay.
She sprayed her.
Right.
I'm like,
That's
oh,
right.
wow.
Why am I really?
Grandpa Gary.
Oh, he's so. Don't pay no attention to him.
Hey, this is from your grandmother.
Okay.
I didn't go shopping.
I'm gonna keep that card. I like this card.
Oh.
Oh Lord.
I was bored that day.
Did you have to write a novel?
Did you write a?
Did you steal that birthday card from me?
No. Was that the same one you got?
I'm just asking.
Did you write a?
That's probably where the lost birthday card went.
No, I actually wrote that like a month ago.
Oh my.
I also wrote like your birthday card, like
The day of.
like Christmas.
Oh my.
Like,
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we stay